Hi, my name's Jono Bradford and I'm the Marketing Manager of Tradesales. Today we're looking at one of our larger projects. It's a 6 relocatable site solution project for Fortescue Metals Group. The 40-foot tyre storage container behind me, there's electrical in there, so there's lights inside and out, and also GPOs for when the guys can plug in whatever tools they need while they're in there. One of the other features is there's 2 roller doors which we've installed here. And the flooring is aluminium checkered painting, which is hard wearing and heavy duty, which is exactly what you need in a situation like this. The 20-foot storage unit is pretty cool. It's got mesh doors, which is something new for us, which it means people can see in, find out what's there without needing to open up the doors, which can remain locked most of the time to prevent anything going missing. It's also got lighting and electrical, which we've installed here. Finally, we have 2 40-foot relocatable site solutions, which will be designated as an office, and other one is more of a waiting room. Both of these have been set up for comfort for things like electrical and data points, so people can get onto the internet and also the local network up on site. All 6 have been finished off in this custom green colour that the client asked us for. Like most of our solutions, it's relocatable, so if they need to move this tyre fitting bay, they can do. The 6 relocatable site solutions are going to be organised similar to how you have behind us in a U-shaped, and then across that it's going to be covered by a dome from our mates at Dome Shelter. If you want to know anything more about this project and more, check us out, tradesales.com.au.